Today starts.
Okay, start. That.
Cut.
Cut. Go.
Action. Today starts week 3 of renovating Bon Air. We've owned it for, what, almost 2 weeks, right? No, almost 3 weeks.
Yep, almost 3 weeks.
Whew.
But it's week 3 for us getting some work done here. We're starting with main ingredient, which is
Coffee.
coffee. We found these coffee cups here. And there's a lot of little treasures we'll share with you. But today, we brought Old Blue, the 85 Dodge pickup truck. Put some things in there. Got a chainsaw, gas power pruner. We're going to finish the driveway towards the house, fill in the rest of the potholes. We're going to cut some of the limbs and branches that are hanging over the driveway, scraping and scratching everything. And the contractors showed up today, Aaron and his team, and they hauled the first big load of junk that we collected from the property in the basement and in the cottage, and they've taken it to the local commercial landfill, which is an hour away. So they've got an hour there and an hour back. But they've started. The plasterer is going to come by this week and look to see what needs to be done. The flooring guy to do the refinishing is going to be here as well. And we're trying to get a start date for the roofer to repair some of the slate tiles. So that's what's going on this week.
Let's get started.
No, I got to finish my coffee first.
Cheers.
Hey, you didn't
Oh, I didn't. Cheers you.
cling me. Clink me.